Kaizer Chiefs won Royal AM. Namhlanje zokhuluma ama-positives nama-negatives ale match. It was a good game. Yabo le game namhlanje bimnandi-ke. It was a good game between Kaizer Chiefs and Royal AM. Indlela eqale ngakhona Kaizer Chiefs from the get-go unaphi indlela sibeke ngakhona ischeme sakhe. Ufuna impela u3 points. It's a piece ukuthi abadlali bakhe abamdlalile leli bhola lithandayo. Qanga ngama-positives ale game le. Kaizer Chiefs first half Kaizer Chiefs ibhola labo ibhola ade bedlala belimnandi ngempela. Indlela Omar de connecta akhona nama-attackers wakhe bekhombisa ukuthi uMar usene-freedom manje. So umdlali okwazi ukudlala ucommunicator nama-forward wabo. Ubonile ama-pass ade washaya uMar. Lokho kuyakukhombisa ukuthi sekukhona umdlali lapha eswini adlala naye aconnecta naye okuwumthetho. Because umthethwa mehleli defender lapha. Lokho kunikeza uMar i-freedom yokuthi akwazi ukudlala kahle. And ukwazi ukuthola ama-forward men wakhe. And udlalile namhlanje uSithebe. Yabo kungijabulisile ukubona uSithebe namhlanje idlala futhi yize team yakhe imdedele phansi. But udlale kamnandi uSithebe namhlanje. Deserve for me man of the match. Mina bengamnika if I had a chance of giving uSithebe man of the match. Anendlela abasebenzisa khona ama-wing backs Kaizer Chiefs namhlanje. Yabo lo mfana uSolomons namhlanje bekhifo iKaizer Chiefs because beshala ama-run lawo masefika lapha ashaya isquare pass ashaya amabhola angena phakathi. Yabo adala ukuthi ama-forwards Kaizer Chiefs ascore igoal. But second half yale game le sibone khona iRoyal AM ikwazi ukudlala khona freely because kungene lo mdlalo okuthi uSithole. Lo mdlalo uSithole uyishintshile igame. Yabo iRoyal AM ikwazile ukuqala idlala ibhola elisile. Beyihlupha impela iKaizer Chiefs. Udlala kakhulu uSithole from iRoyal AM. Ngikhuluma ama-negatives. Yabo on iKaizer Chiefs side ama-negatives ale game le. Kaizer Chiefs kumele ithole elinye idefender lapha. UMsimanga akusilona idefender walithemba leyo ndlela. UMsimango akusilona idefender ongalithemba leyo ndlela. UMsimango maningi ama-mistakes awenzile namhlanje. iKaizer Chiefs ishoda ngama-defender azoconnecta. Ishoda ama-defender azoconnecta no goalkeeper wabo. Nayo goalkeeper namhlanje. Yabo uPeterson akekho ukeeper lapha. Yabo mina I prefer uNthwari kunoPeterson. Based on indlela goalkeeper abadlala khona. Ama-goals ascore namhlanje. Fana nokuthi bewayekela mfethu uPeterson lawo ama-goal. If you saw those goals, abe better lama-goal ascore iRoyal AM beyikorela iKaizer Chiefs because most of the time ubengekho epalini ugoalkeeper. If you saw those goals ubengekho epalini ugoalkeeper. Okuyakutshela ukuthi emuva kahle kuyavuza emuva. I-negative yeRoyal AM indlela abayi-approacha ngakhona igame. Approacha kanjani igame uzodlala neteam enkulu iKaizer Chiefs ozoqalisa uAndile Mpisane. Already lapho usu one man down. Fana nokuthi uthole i-red card. Uzoqala igame noAndile Mpisane. Uzoqala ngoAndile Mpisane uzodlala neKaizer Chiefs. Yini lapho ufuna ukudliwa vele. Fana nokuthi ufuna ukudliwa. Muzo udlala igame enkulu yabo ufuna 3 points or 1 point kumele ukwazi uqala igame ngabadlali abafuna ukuzodlala abane mentality right yabo abazodlala. Uzubonile second half sebemkhiphile uAndile Mpisane ibonile eqalile ya connect Royal AM yabo. So overall it was a good game. It was a game of two halves yabo in my opinion. Ngosikhathi ngishaya iscore prediction ngipredict ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs izoyiwina le match but izoyiwina kanzima. Nako ke iRoyal AM siscora igoli bese kuyo-edwa yabo. I wouldn't say bese 80 but bese kuyo-edwa igame besiphela vele. I predicted ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs izowina but izowina kanzima. But ke wena ukubona yakho le game ibinjani yabo ngangitshela lapha kuma-comments ukuthi iziphi izinto iKaizer Chiefs eleke kuzona namhlanje because namhlanje badrop ama-points. Njengoba bedrop ama-points bayehla kancane kancane and ama-team amaningi azo-catch up kubona kule season le kumele ba-introduce something new yabo. Bayadlala bona ibhola labo line-sense because you see abadlala abanjengoDupree bayaqala bapick up iform ade sagcina ukubona oDupree bekwi-score line but namhlanje siyababona na last game I think uscoreile uDupree.